Hello and welcome friends. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Today I will show you how you can use your smartphone as a Wacom. Yes, you can use your smartphone to write on your computer screen with the help of your fingers or with the S Pen. So let's start. For this you will need to install virtual tablet on your phone and on your desktop or laptop. So first install virtual tablet on your mobile phone. Then download the virtual tablet and install it on your machine. Sometimes it complains to install .NET 3.5 features on your computer. So install it on your computer, and this is the method to install .NET 3.5 features on your computer. After the feature installation is complete, click close and install virtual tablet on your computer. Installation is in progress. After the installation, click finish and launch virtual tablet. This is the screen of virtual tablet on your computer. Now run the virtual tablet on your phone. Once it connects, you can check it working. See, I have kept the L button pressed. So this is the way you can do this. Go to the setting and keep the left button pressed. Turn it on. So you don't have to click it while you are writing something. So just write on the screen and it will be seen on the computer screen. If you are good at art, you can draw it also. Let's clear this screen and let's see, when I scratch something on the phone, it writes here. Okay, I can write a sample text. Now let's see it working side by side. So I have a phone. Let's clear the screen. Now write a text, sample. And it writes as we write on the mobile phone. So this is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.